Hello everybody, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit and thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys what I got to try out using BeeBee's Crafts. Now it's a very popular craft site and they actually do have a YouTube program, so if you're interested I will put the information down below for you. I think this is a great way to kind of market to the crafters on YouTube, and I think it's a lot of fun because we get to try product and that we haven't tried before. So I got a couple of things that I want to show you guys. This is just going to be an unboxing, and I took it all out of the packaging because they do come packaged really well, and I couldn't recommend them anymore with the packaging. So let me get started on the exciting things that I'm really excited for, the new things. So I got a pack of these jewelry making pliers. I have never made any kind of jewelry before, and these are very important when you are making some charms. They're just a little bit helpful. So I picked up this pack right here, and I don't know if it tells you where, like, what the different kinds are. I don't think it does, but yeah, I just think that that's going to be a lot of fun because I do have a couple other things that are going to go with that. So the next jewelry item that I picked up were these, sorry about the glare, jump rings, and look at this packaging. I mean, it's pretty amazing. And I got the different colors because I wanted to try out different colors. So there's that. And then I also got the lobster claws, and in all the different colors. I think that that's going to be a lot of fun to play around with. So I got those two. I also got these, I think they're called head pens. I don't know exactly what they're called. See, I'm so new to all this. So let me just open this up if I can, so you can take a look at them. So I got these head pens, I think that's what they're called, in gold and silver, so that I can make some charms. I'm new to making charms, so it'll be definitely exciting. So the next thing is I wanted to get the big bead kit that they had that everybody is getting on YouTube. However, they were out of stock, so I did just pick up some beads from them in these pastel, really pretty colors, like super pretty. So I have those. I'm going to be making some charms. And then I picked up these tassels, and look at this container it comes in. I think I'm just going to keep it in there, but I think that's awesome. So I just got all the different colored tassels, so I'm pretty excited to be playing with some of these, and they're actually pretty well packaged, so that way you can just keep them in one spot. So I have gotten those, and then the last thing I picked up was kind of like papercraft related. I picked up these glittered, sorry about all the crinkling, these glittered washi tapes. I wanted to give them a try, which I am pretty excited because I will be using these on a couple of tags, and just I love glittered washi tape. Like, that's probably the only washi tape that I use. I do get washi tape, but I normally just gravitate towards glitter. So you get all of these colors, which are really pretty. So that is my little haul of BeeBeeCrafts. I hope you guys enjoyed, and look forward to making a couple things with these. I will let you guys know how it goes and show you guys what I make, and I will put the information down below if you're interested. That's how I found out. So I hope you all are staying safe and have a great day. Bye!